A red-hot culinary experience is coming to Oregon as the Willamette Valley hosts the Heritage Fire Festival.
It's a pretty neat idea. So it's a nationwide celebration of cooking over open flame. And this year they're bringing the heat to the Yamhill County Fairgrounds. Now joining us with a preview of Heritage Fire is a participating chef. We have Cameron Dunlap, the owner of Morchella out in Northeast Portland. Good morning. Glad you're here.
I'm good. How are you?
Doing well.
Good.
Appreciate you taking the time to stop on by. This is a really cool concept, the celebrating food that's cooked over open flame. Why does this event make so much sense, and what is the significance of it for you?
You know, to me, I think, first of all, everything we're surrounded by in Oregon is the outdoors. So there's a little bit of this thing that everybody, I think, really loves cooking outdoors. And there's something that you can't get from being in a kitchen and cooking in a normal setting like that. The smoke, the wood, especially if you choose your own wood. I have plum trees in my backyard, so sometimes just a backyard fire with some chicken over some plum wood, it's unbeatable. So there's a little extra added element that you don't get all the time.
You know, I feel like my cooking over the flame is limited to some very rudimentary camping meals. So what are some of the things happening here? Because this is really well done.
Yes, this would be like a very high production style of outdoor cooking, which I'm really excited about. I got lucky enough, you get to choose your weapon, so to speak. So they asked what we wanted to be set up with. I chose to do a plancha, which is really cool. It's this like metal dome that is cast iron, and then you put the fire underneath it and get it super hot like a saute pan basically. And then you're grilling everything, searing on this super hot piece of metal with you know, fire and oil spitting everywhere or whatever. But it's so much fun. It's like a big centerpiece, more or less, of a cooking style. It's really fun.
That's awesome. Well, you've brought some taste tests for us in here. So what have you brought in? And I'm assuming you cooked this over open flame as well, or is this a sample of what you brought in from your place in Morchella?
So this is a sample of the dish we're gonna do. I didn't sear it on the plancha this time just because of it's breakfast time.
We don't have an insurance policy to cover a plancha here.
But yeah, I'm lucky enough to be partnering with one of my friends who's the farmer Evan, and he is my tomato guru. He has like 125 varieties of tomatoes and brings them back from Italy. So I took one of my favorite products, and I was like, we're just going to plancha that and then add a bunch of stuff that is really fun, Morchella style on top of that. So today I have Evan's tomatoes. They're going to be on the plancha. And then I made a really cool spice mix that they're crusted in. It's Nigella seeds, which is love and a mist seeds, which grows all over here. And then lacto-fermented cherry tomato powder, and then some black pepper and some sea salt. And then there's some basil, some blue elderberries that I foraged myself.
Wow.
And vegan hazelnut aioli. So this is actually vegan as well. It wasn't that I wanted it to be that way. It's just that these ingredients don't really need any meat. So
worked out that way. I'm gonna lift the plate up so everybody at home can get a better look of exactly what this dish looks like.
It is a little better angle.
Stunning.
Ooh, look at that. It's beautiful.
Wow, really,
and
neat.
Cool to point out that you have a vegan dish here. I mean, because it's not just flame grilled meats, that are going to be happening here at this festival. It's all kinds of ingredients. And I think Morchella, your restaurant, what a great fit for this festival, because you are so rooted in the Pacific Northwest in your menu. You forage some of your ingredients. It's really going to be a celebration of just what we have to work with here in this area, right?
That's really good. Answer that, then I'll talk about the food. That was wonderful.
Yeah, I think I really like to live by the everything that grows together goes together situation. A lot of the things I go foraging for, I've actually foraged like right down the road from this farm in Ridgefield, and I know the area very well. So all of these things just kind of naturally find themselves on the plate to me, and then we just kind of figure out how to put them best together.
That's fantastic.
That's so good. You should have by that.
I can't wait to try.
The crunchiness, the texture is great. I love the refreshing bite and like that tartness from the fruit.
We're almost out of time, so I don't want to take a big bite. Chef Cameron, thank you so much for being here. You finish this off while I try.
I will do that. Heritage Fire Willamette Valley, that is happening Sunday, September 10th at the Yamhill County Fairgrounds. General admission is $125, and you can get those tickets at heritagefiretour.com. And if all the food tastes like that, well worth the money.
Oh my goodness.